Come on, you stupid piece of garbage. What's wrong with you, you junk car? Jeez, what is the problem? Broke again. If you're wondering why I've called you here today, it's because of this. This thing's either developed a monthly problem or it's leaking transmission fluid everywhere. Now, my initial thought was that it was the pan gasket, but it's up here on the cooler lines in front. So we're going to start by trying to diagnose it by taking off this bolt here, because these do have a tendency to crack the cooler lines here. And if I don't see any cracks there, we're going to replace the pan gasket and refill it with ATF because it's losing a lot. Right now it doesn't want to go into gear real well. And I've put 2 quarts in it this week already. This is Tuesday. So we need to do something about this, get this fixed. So I'm going to pause the recording again, see if I can take a look at this, and we'll go from there. Okay, sometimes it's better to be lucky than good. Took the clamp off the lines and I found this spot right there. And I keep wiping it and it keeps coming back red. I catch it on my fingernail on both of them, which tells me that there's a crack in the line from the bracket rubbing on it. It's an aluminum bracket. So we're going to do the right thing the wrong way. Okay, in the junkyard video, you saw me go out and get a rear valance off of a gold 240 sedan. So you can see on the Swedish race car, that piece is missing. I tore it off over at a friend of mine's house, and all of this is missing. So this part needs to go up here like this. Man, it's hot.
Hey, Brian.
Safety Inspector Chick, welcome back to Cooper Heavy Industries. What are you doing here today?
Man, I'm just kind of taking it easy today. It's hot.
It is hot. It's
hot.
running about 95 here today.
I'm just out there enjoying a nice, refreshing beverage.
A Forte.
A Forte. I picked them up for 99 cents at the grocery store.
You know, I got my refreshing beverage right here. Yeah? What's wrong with that?
This is glass.
That is glass.
This is not a really good thing to be drinking in the shop.
But it's full of barley soda.
Well,
what's wrong with barley soda?
There's nothing wrong with barley soda, or juice boxes as I like to call them.
Well, there's that too.
But with a Forte for 99 cents, they come in a plastic bottle.
Uh-huh.
Not only does it come in a plastic bottle.
Uh-huh. Ooh. Ew. Yeah, delicious.
They're smooth and refreshing, and if you knock them over, they don't break like glass.
I gotta try this. I'm not sure about this. What is this?
That's that good malt liquor.
Old English 800?
It's just like college all over again, isn't it? But you're safe drinking it. It's plastic. You see? You take it. It doesn't break.
Do I have to listen to the diabolical Biz Marquee while I'm drinking it?
Because you got what I need.
Get out. Get out. Get out. Get out. As I was saying, okay, now the right thing to do is, of course, to cut that and put a brass flare union on it. So you can know right now we're not going to do that. What are the chances of having the right hose clamp in there? 2, 3, 4, and 1 for good luck. How about that? Got everything we need? Got everything we need? Let's fix this problem. Alright, now I'm going to cut this and see if we can get about 15 gallons of transmission fluid to come out of it, which is exactly what we don't want, but what we will get. So I got this little mini tubing cutter, which is probably still too big to fit where I need it to fit here. It is. Hold on. Let's try something else here. What I meant to say was, you got to get the right tool. See, isn't that better? All right, now we got hose in place, clamps on either side. Now the factory bracket won't fit back around there to hold these in place. And you know what kind of joint we run. That's a classy place. This is the kind of organization that doesn't let that zip tie tail hang off of there. Now that's fixed. If that won't keep us on the road, ain't nothing going to keep us on the road. There's been another CHI short. It's been a simple problem with a simple solution. We'll see you on the next one. Remember, look for us on Patreon, Instagram, Facebook. You know the deal.